Hot, hot, so hot. Hey guys, I would like to show you our HCG mainstream here. It is a popular product we have and also one of the hottest product in market. It's already in the top 10 of Amazon personal care list as well. Now I would like to open one for you to check the quality. Here I prepare a cup of urine sample to check the testing time and whether it's easy to read the result. Put the absorbent tips in the urine sample for about 6 seconds and put the midstream to somewhere flat. You will get result around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Let's check the window. The control line is very clear. For HCG test, we also have this cassette and strip. Just click the link for more detail.